Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I use Adobe to cure my depression. Lately I've been noticing a lot of YouTubers slash TikTokers releasing new merch. It has come to my attention that as soon as someone has a good amount of views, subscribers, or generally an audience, they create merch. And that's great. One has to be creative with the way he or she makes money on YouTube or TikTok or any other social platform. I can't help but feel conflicted about some of the merch that I see. But hey, I guess merch isn't that important for everyone. Maybe someone doesn't have time for merch or is just generally not interested in the whole merch process. I feel like some great examples of good merchandise would be Curtis Connor, TMG, Elvis the Alien, Alex Myers, PewDiePie. So today I will try to make some kind of alternative designs, or at least a design concept. So we will start by looking at Jake Paul's merch. This is actually a free font. A good way to make this font better is just to elongate the lines. I have tried to be more artistic with this design. I basically used the pencil tool to create a very abstract G and P letter. Now, I couldn't understand why, but the second design that I created really reminded me of something. And then now I've just had a very dark memory surface, my very dark brain. Does anyone remember this? This is a very dramatic photo and it's perfect. I will outline only the most important parts, the ones that I think that will look good on the end design. at the end it should look something like that. It shouldn't be spot on. It shouldn't be what you actually see in the picture. I didn't draw the eyes, not only because I'm terrified, but also I don't think it will look good. Sometimes overdoing just makes the design not that minimalistic, not that interesting. So next up is Laura Lee. Laura Lee seems to have a very vanilla 2009 design. It has a lot of pink, it has a lot of pastel. So I will add some forms behind her name. I think that this looks much more modern. I also remember that I have photographed some of my oil paint swatches, and one of them is in a heart shape. And is it me or it sort of resembles lipstick? In the front I will add her name, and I will use a font that I will also list in the description box below. I'm pleased with that because it's still very sweet. It has that Laura Lee vibe to it. So I really wanted to look at Charli D'Amelio's merch. It's a shame that her merch doesn't incorporate her funny and bubbly and sunny personality. I really wanted to do an interesting design with her name. I wanted to create sort of a liquid design. This design really reminds me of the Euphoria logo, which I really like. So those are 3 main gradients. I think I like the second one the most. So next up, I really wanted to change the iced coffee design. I feel like there are so many creative ways of doing an iced coffee vector illustration. So I'll basically use the pen tool to create the iced coffee. I also put it in a mason jar. So next up, I want to look at the Hype House merch. I don't know if that's actually the merch. I think that's the official logo of the Hype House. So I want to look at the Hype House to sort of know how it looks like. That's a mansion. So I thought of drawing the windows. So the first one is blue and it's sort of edgy. The second one is pink, pinkish, and it has this Rolling Stone style. And the third one, which I probably like the most since it's October and very soon it's Halloween, it has this Halloween vibe to it. So what have we learned today? First of all, I learned that I only use 2 tools from the existing 86 tools that Adobe Illustrator has to offer. And secondly, there are always ways to make merch better. And hey, your fans deserve it. I feel like you don't have to be a designer to create merch. You don't have to study design to create merch. You just have to be creative. I hope you enjoyed me playing around. Also, I'm looking forward to customize some sneakers, some Nikes. So yeah, if you would like to see that, then subscribe.